Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, where you'll find tech reviews so that you can make some informed decisions. Now, if you're someone who's experienced the gut-wrenching feeling of losing important files, including photos, videos, documents, etc., then you should know about Wondershare Recoverit, one of the most effective and reliable tools for your data recovery. And guess what? Wondershare has released its new version, Recoverit V13.5. And it's a complete surprise. And in this video, you'll be actually going through everything that's been updated. We'll also guide you through some of the new features and explain in detail why this version is worth downloading. So let's begin. Recoverit V13.5 is here. What's new? Alright, let's get into the exciting part. What's new in Recoverit V13.5? Well, the new version has some great enhancements that ensure quick, accurate and friendly recovery progress, with its recovery tool which offers some unique features that can really solve all of your lost data problems on the go. So let us explain all that in detail, step by step, so that you see how it's actually improved. Improved mobile hard drive scanning and recovering property. Okay, let's begin with mobile hard disks. And any person who's ever attempted to get their data back from external drives knows that, well, this can be hard. But Recoverit V13.5 has raised the bar big time here. First of all, there's been an optimization for the file systems like FAT32, exFAT, and NTFS. This means that the software now does a better job of organizing the files it recovers, making it much easier to sort through them. Now, it's also integrated with dedicated file systems for different operating systems. Whether you lose files on Windows, need to restore files from a Mac, or in case you've used external drives formatted for Linux or any other device, Wondershare Recoverit can help you get back your lost files. And here's a super impressive stat about Wondershare Recoverit. The rate of success attained with the scanning of hard drives has risen by more than 10%, which earlier was a big issue to deal with when you were in the middle of recovering your lost data. Oh, and the speed? This is quite noticeable too, and its responding time when scanning large capacity mobile hard disks is comparatively faster than normal. In addition, there's the advantage of the broad compatibility with more than 1,000 formats provided by Recoverit V13.5. Now, are you in need of Android data recovery to get back documents, videos, photos, or even the less common files? Honestly, these enhancements make this release much more reliable for anyone using external drives out there. The industry's best ability to recover extremely large files. Next up, let's discuss how efficient Recoverit V13.5 is at recovering absolutely massive files. And when I say massive, I mean huge files. If you're a person who deals with 4K or more, or even 8K videos, then I'm sure you'll understand the problem of data loss or corruption of such large files. But Wondershare has absolutely nailed this with some powerful upgrades. Here's what's new. Recoverit now helps you get back lost professional videos such as MP4, MOV, AVI, M4V, FLV, MTS, MXF, and much more. It all fits seamlessly with other professional equipment such as Sony, Canon, GoPro, and DJI drones, among others. So, what's improved? Well, they've improved the algorithm for video fragment reassembling at Wondershare. So let's say that your video is broken into pieces that are scattered throughout your hard drive. It does a far better job of reconstructing that puzzle, which means that at the end of the process, you end up with a considerably more complete file. But this doesn't end just with videos. Recoverit V13.5 also enhances the scanning and preview of big image sizes for enhanced data retrieval. This means that the preview success rate of the professional level images has increased by 10%. Well, that means that it's possible to preview images before actually extracting them. Perfect for photographers. In addition, The locating rate has been increased by 8% for these high quality images. So if you're a photographer, videographer, or even employing huge file formats, Recoverit V13.5 is actually one of the most effective tools to recover your lost data. Well, now let's discuss something that's one of the best ideas ever: continuous scanning. Added the function of continuous scanning. The process is similar when you begin to scan a huge hard drive or a faulty system, but in the middle of this, you have to pause. Maybe you have more work to attend to, or you close the software by mistake. Good thing is, you don't have to start all over again when using Recoverit V13.5 software. The new version comes with the option of continuous scan, allowing you to stop a scan, quit the program, and continue scanning right where you left off in the next instance. The feature is appreciated a lot, given that large drives often require a lot of time to scan, but just this small change makes a huge difference. Improved compatibility with macOS systems. The last but definitely not least, Recoverit V13.5 has stepped up its game for Mac users. First of all, it's become fully compatible with Apple's ARM architecture. So if you own an M1, M2, or the latest M4 Mac, Recoverit is optimized for the best performance. No glitches or lagging, just a smooth process all the way. Also, it allows users to work with the latest version of macOS 15, Sequoia, on Recoverit. Now, when it comes to copying, backup, or even just a preview of the files, everything goes smoothly without any hitch on the latest macOS 15. So for Mac users out there seeking a reliable recovery tool, Recoverit V13.5 is a big win. Wondershare Recoverit V13.5 isn't a simple update, it's a massive leap forward in data recovery software that gives you capabilities and performance you never knew you needed. Whether it's the enhanced facility for the external drive scan or the outstanding recovery for massive video or photo files, and the feature that now lets you press pause on scans and resume later, or the same place that it works seamlessly with macOS latest version, is truly all that and more. Now, for anyone who cherishes their data, either personal or in working projects, this is a tool that needs to be embraced. So, what are you waiting for? The download link for Wondershare Recoverit V13.5 is given in the description below. Do yourself a favor and go download this awesome software. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And let us know in the comments your thoughts about the new features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.